Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will learn on how to install SQL Server and SSMS. Step 1. Download SQL Server. The first step is to download the SQL Server installation files from the Microsoft website. To do this, go to any browser and simply type SQL Server. Now click on SQL Server Downloads. From here, you can select the edition of SQL Server you want to install, such as Developer or Express, and download the appropriate file for your operating system. Now click on Download Now. In Download folder, open the download file. Double-click and start for installation. As you can see, there are three types of installation: Basic, Custom, and Download Media. In Download Media, if we want to install SQL Server which does not have internet connection, so we will download media files first, the copy-paste on that machine to install. In Custom Installation, we select what we want to install. Basic installation is default feature. We will go for Basic installation. We will accept the terms and condition. You may keep the same install location, or if want to change, you can click on Browse and change install location. Now click on Install. As you can see, downloading has started. Download successful, installation in progress. Installation has completed successfully. This is instance name. Connection string, which is used to connect database. This is log file path, which log everything like example error, when you have started or connected to SQL Server. This is showing the path where SQL Server has installed. And this one is the showing the resources path. Click on Connect Now button to connect. As you can see, we are now connected SQL Server, so it means we have installed correctly. After the SQL Server installation is complete, now install SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, which is tool, or you can say software application, where you can easily manage to work on SQL Server. Like you can create database, table, alter table, insert new record, update record, delete records, and much more things very easily. Click on Install SSMS. Open in any browser. Now you need to download SSMS. Click on it, it has started downloading. As you can see, download is completed. Click on Show in Folder to open the SSMS setup file. Double-click to start the installation on SSMS setup file. Click on Run button. Location is where all the files will get saved. If you want to change the path, click on Change button, browse for folder and click OK button, or else click Cancel button. Now click on Install button. As you can see, setup completed. All specified components has been installed successfully. Now click on Search button, type SSMS. Click on SQL Server Management Studio. So here is our SQL Server Management Studio. And that's it for this video on how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. I hope this video has helped you understand completely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.